to do a dumb thing and drink the 7-Up Shirley Temple without burping, like some challenges. And I don't like fizz, so this is going to suck for me. This actually burns. I don't like this. It's going through my nose. I actually really don't like fizz, so this sucks a lot. Like, burps are coming, and then I'm like swallowing in with soda. I don't know if I could do this. If I talk, I'm gonna burp. Oh no. Well, oh gosh, it went to my nose. No, I don't like that at all. Like, I had pretty much a lot of it, but now my throat hurts. I feel better when I'm burped, though. I don't burp loud. Oh. Well, bye. Couldn't finish it. Oh, the reason why you didn't see me open the can is because it takes me a while to open the can, so I just didn't show it. Anyway, bye-bye.